Let us start our class states of matter. Today our class is about chemistry and states of matter. The introduction is the whole universe is composed of matter and energy. We can see in our surroundings matter, that anything that occupies space has weight and which has the principle of inertia is called matter. Simply we will call as anything that occupies space, has weight and has the principle of inertia is called matter. Inertia, fundamental property of matter by Whittier. Matter is made up of tiny particles. As we know that matter is a tiny particle. In that matter can be composed to an atom. It is a single particle called, it have no molecules, only particle. Molecules, atoms can be changed to the molecules. Next, the molecules are so small that they are not visible to our naked eye. Molecules are so small that they are not visible to our naked eye. We can see with the microscope. Molecules of matter are in constant vibration. Matter has three states. We have to discuss about the three states. Wait a minute, I will come. Let us see examples of matter. Solid. This book is solid and this is liquid. This is liquid and that is the gas. We can see that, and we can see the gas through the fans. We can get air. So it is gas. Wait a 1 minute. I will come with you.
Go.
We will know now about intermolecular space and intermolecular force. It is a solid. Intermolecular force is higher. In solid molecules, intermolecular force is higher and intermolecular space is lower. And the liquid has intermolecular force is weaker than in solids. Intermolecular force is weaker than in solids, but intermolecular space is more than in solids. Next, gases. We can see in gases the space is very more than in liquids and gases, liquids and solids, but the gases contains more intermolecular but not intermolecular.
Go.
General properties of a solid. The intermolecular force is weaker than that of solids in a solids, and hence intermolecular force is compared to solids, so it is a liquid. The intermolecular force is weakest and hence intermolecular space is the largest, so it is a general properties of solids. Solid have fixed shape and fixed volume. Like a book, generally solids cannot be compressed. A solid does not flow. A solid expands very little on being heated. Next, general properties of a liquid. A liquid has no fixed shape. It takes the shape of its container.
Go.
Once again, I want to explain about the solids. Intermolecular force is stronger and the intermolecular space is not there here. Check it once, not there. So it is a solid. The intermolecular in textbook they given the intermolecular force is weakest and hence the intermolecular space is largest. That is liquid. The intermolecular force is weaker than that of solids and hence intermolecular space is compared to solids. So it is a liquid. Solids have fixed shape. It is having a fixed shape and fixed volume too. But liquids don't have fixed shape. 1 minute, I will show example. Let's see the examples of this class. In the water, it is having no shape because it is its container shape. It takes it to container shape. So it is an example of the liquid. And then next, gases. Gases does not have fixed shape and fixed volume. It has a fixed volume but not having fixed shape, but the gases have fixed shape and both fixed volume. Properties: solids, liquids, gases. Properties of solids, liquids and gases. Property solids, liquids and gases. It is a tabular form. Intermolecular force. In solids it is very strong. In liquids weaker than in solids. In gases very weak. Intermolecular space. In solids it is very small. Larger than in solids. Liquids. Gases are very large. Shape. Fixed shape. Solids contains fixed shape. Not fixed. Liquids not containing fixed shape. Gases not containing fixed shape. And volume. Solids contain a fixed volume. Liquids contain fixed volume. And gases not containing fixed volume. Compressibility. Practically nil in solids. Very little in liquids. Large in gases. Fluidity. Fixed in solids. Liquids fluid. Gases fluid. Expansion on being heated and contraction on being cooled. Solids very small, liquids greater than in solids, gases large, mixed with other substance in the same state. Not possible, very rare in solids. Liquids mix with miscible liquids, gases mix freely. Diffusion rare, less than gases, liquids are less than gases very high. Change in state. When you heat up a solid like ice, it turns into a liquid. It changes its state. And if you keep on heating the liquid, it turns into a gas. Solid to liquid is called solidification, and liquid to solid is called melting. And liquid to vaporization, liquid to gas is called vaporization. Gas to liquid is called liquefaction. Solid to gas is called sublimation. Gas to solid is called sublimation. Thank you. We will see in next part.